The Polk Atrium 5 outdoor speakers are designed to withstand all weather conditions, ensuring durability against elements like salt fog, ultraviolet rays, and heavy rain. With Polk's patented dynamic balance technology, these speakers deliver exceptional audio performance, featuring a 5-inch driver and 0.75-inch tweeter for a rich sound experience. The PowerPort technology incorporated allows for smooth airflow, resulting in deep bass impact and minimized distortion, perfect for outdoor listening. Installation is straightforward with the one-click speed lock mounting system, enabling vertical or horizontal positioning for versatile placement. Their sleek design blends seamlessly into any outdoor setting, making them an aesthetically pleasing addition to patios or backyards. These speakers are not only functional but also stylish, fitting in various environments including poolside areas, sunrooms, or garden spaces for an immersive audio experience.